Hey everyone, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be creating another look using the Morphe x James Charles palette. I do already have a couple of other looks up on my channel, so I'll link a playlist with those in the cards. Today I want to do a purpley pink look, so let's get started. So I've already primed my eyelids with the Morphe eyeshadow primer, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of canvas just all over that, just as like a base. I'm going to start by taking the shade Single and putting this in the crease. This is like my favorite color. I love this one. Next, I'm going to take the shade Escape on a smaller brush and just pack that in the very outer corner and a bit in the crease. Next, I'm going to take a bit more of Single and put that up here to blend. Next, I'm going to take my finger in the shade Pinkety Drinkety and put that in the inner portion of the lid. Whenever I use this color, I do have to layer it up a couple times, so that's what I'm going to do, and then I'll be back. Next, I'm going to take the shade Skip and put that on the middle of the lid. Again with my finger. I'm just going to take a brush and blend. I'm going to add a little bit more of Escape. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade Single and then I'm going to put some of Escape on the outer portion. And I'm going to take the shade Ring Light as my inner corner highlight. Next, I'm going to attempt to do some white eyeliner. I am not good at eyeliner, but I'm going to try it anyways. I'm using the ColourPop liner in the shade Graceland. I'm just going to finish this off camera and then I'll come back. And the last step is to apply mascara. So here's the finished look. So again, here's the finished look. I do like this look. I'm not exactly sure how I feel about it, but I do like how the eyeliner turned out. I've struggled with eyeliner in the past, and I think that this eyeliner is one of my better attempts. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you would like to see more eyeshadow tutorials, makeup reviews, or if you'd like to see nail art, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!